Kia ora koutou and welcome to another skipping video. My name's Sasha and this is the second video in the intermediate series, so it's a little bit trickier than the beginner videos. Today I'm going to teach you about the speed step. So in a competition you can enter into speed events and there is a certain step that goes with it that you do for a speed event. To start with, we're going to get rid of our rope. Let's just put our rope down the side. Every time we do a new footwork, we want to try without the rope, just so we know what we're doing with our feet. Now, it's an alternating run, so all we're going to do is we're just going to jog on the spot. So it looks like this. Okay? Now, with the jogging step, we want to make sure we're not flicking our feet back. So we don't want to be doing this. We want to lift the knees up high, like so. Okay, that's the jogging step. Let's have a go together. Here we go, jogging on the spot. And stop. Cool, easy as that. Let's try to add the rope. Okay, now with the rope, we want to make sure that we are jumping, every time we jump over the rope, we're jumping over it with a different foot. So we need to keep that alternating step. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so see how every time I jump over the rope, I'm jumping over it with an alternating step. So I know it's called the speed step, but to start, we just want to go really slow and then we can build up our speed once we get that alternating step down. Okay, let's have a little go together. Sometimes it helps to count as well. So I'll give us a count and we will go nice and slow. We'll go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And that's the speed step. That one can take a little bit of time to get. Some people get it straight away. Some people it takes a little bit of time, like me. So stay at it, keep practicing, and you'll be speeding in no time. Ka kite anō.